Good morning, students. So, today we will start our first chapter, sets. Okay, so in our orientation class, I have stated you what are sets, how we can represent them, right? In short, I have told you, but in your chapter from syllabus, we will study in vast. Okay, there are so many topics are there in the chapter sets, different types of sets are there, right? So today we will start our first chapter, that is sets. So we define sets. I have told you what are sets. Sets is a collection of, it is the collection of well defined objects. It is the collection of well defined objects, right? So why we call it well defined? Because well defined means, suppose we are forming a set of vowels, right? So if in set of vowels you only write the vowels A, E, I, O, U, right? So well defined means set of vowels. In set of vowels your elements are A, E, I, O, U. So this is well defined, right? Now if I told you to write a collection of good mathematicians, a set of good mathematicians, right? So this set is different for different person. According to me, some mathematicians are good. According to you, your set may be different. So it is not well defined. Okay, means we are not able to say that only these persons or these elements belong to this set. আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ যে অকল এইকেইটা এলিমেণ্টহে এই সেটত থাকিব, বিকজ গুড মেথমেটিচিয়ানছ ক'ব গ'লে বহুত মেথমেটিচিয়ানছ আছে. চ' মোৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ হ'ব পাৰে মেথমেটিচিয়ান ভাল, তোমাৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ হ'ব পাৰে. চ' ইট ইজ নট এ ৱেল ডিফাইণ্ড objects, right? But set of vowels to tumi in whole world you ask anyone, he will give this answer only when you ask about the set of vowels, right? So this is well defined. Etu enuka sets of ki koy, mane enuka objects of ki koy well defined, aru set a whole collection of well defined objects, right? So hey set tu ki hobo, tumar well defined objects thakibo lagibo, titia hetu tumar set বুলি আমি ক'ব পাৰি, right? Next we will study the representation of sets, how we represent a set. Representation of sets, আমি sets to কেনেকৈ represent কৰিব পাৰোঁ. Okay, so the first thing, we represent set in braces, right? আমি ব্ৰেচেছৰ ভিতৰত সেটটো লিখোঁ. And the first thing, the elements যিবিলাক থাকে, elements may called objects or members of that set, means elements, objects, members are all synonyms, right? Are all synonyms, means they have same meaning, right? And we denote a set by capital letter. We denote a set by capital letter, right? Capital letter দিয়ে আমি set to represent লিখো যিকোনো set, whether it is A, B, C, anything. And always we write elements in small letter. always we write elements in small letter. Okay, elements bilak ami set to likhar karne je this as a set, particular set to name ami capital letter di diu aru tar bhitorot jibilak element thake hebilak ami small letter di denote koru. Now if I say that suppose there is a set B which contain element A, small a, okay, then I will say A belongs to set B, right? A belongs to set B. Symbolically moi keneke likhim, belongs to symbol to moi koisilu, this is the symbol of belongs to. This is called epsilon. The name of the symbol is epsilon. Okay, so jodi ami kobo bisaru je A element to set B ase, it means A belongs to B, right? Now if I want to say A does not belongs to B, then I will write A epsilon, cut it from the middle, A does not belongs to B. Okay, so these are the basic representation, means the things that we have to consider while writing a set. Next we move to the two basic form of set, two basic type of writing sets, how we write sets. Okay, so the first form is roster form. The first one is roster form. Okay, in roster form all elements are listed, mane eta list hisabot ami elements bilak likhu and they are separated, each and every element are separated by a comma. Sob kita elementor pisot eta comma thakibo, eta elementor pisot comma thakibo, tasot ami next element to likhu. Okay, so in roster form all elements are listed, mane eta list hisabot likhu, and separated by commas. All elements are separated by commas and they are enclosed in braces. Etu ami agote discuss korisu যে they are enclosed in brackets. Set to ami bracketot likhu, enclosed in brackets, right? For example, if I take set of natural numbers, we have to write set of natural numbers which divide, set of natural numbers which divide 42. আমি এনেকুৱা natural numbers বিলাকৰ set form কৰিব লাগে যিহে কাক divide কৰে, 42 divide কৰে. So let we represent the set with capital A. This is our set. Okay, and we have to write the set in braces. Okay, so roster form ot ami ki koisu je eta list hisabot ami likhu. So I write the first number, natural number which divide 42 is 1, because 1 divide each and every number. Next is 2, then 3, okay, then 6, 7, then 14, 21 and 42. So this is the roster form of a set, here each and every element are separated by a comma, আৰু আমি numbers kita লিখিছো list হিসাবত আৰু comma দিছো হিহঁতক separate কৰাৰ কাৰণে inside the braces. So this is the set of natural numbers which divide 42. Okay, and one thing you keep in mind that in roster form order of elements doesn't matter. মানে order of elements কি হয় যে তুমি এইটো সিকুৱেন্সতে যে লিখিব লাগিব হেতু কম্পালসৰি নহয়, মিন্স তুমি 2 টু আগত লিখিব পাৰা বা 42 টু ফার্স্ট লিখিব পাৰা, মানে জাম্বলড আপ কৰি যিকোনো সিকুৱেন্সত তুমি লিখিব পাৰা, অৰ্ডাৰ টু ম্যাটাৰ নকৰে roster ফৰ্মত. ওকে, so we write in roster form order of elements doesn't matter. Order of elements doesn't matter because all elements are distinct. All elements are distinct. Okay, so yet order to tumar matter nokore. You can write it 3, 7, 2, 14, 21, 42, 2, 6 এনেকেও তুমি লিখিব পাৰা. ওকে, জাষ্ট তোমাৰ ষ্টেটমেণ্টটো according to statement the elements kita correct hobo lagibo, right? So this is all about roster form. Next we do next form of set representation is set builder form. So next representation is our set builder form. Set builder form. So in set builder form all the elements in set builder form all the elements possesses a single common property. A single common property, and this property is not possessed by any other element outside the set. মানে set builder যিবিলাক মানে এলিমেন্টটো আমি যদি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰো তো হেতু এনেকে ক'ব পাৰি যে এলিমেন্ট কিটা এটা সিঙ্গল প্ৰপাৰ্টি ডিফাইন কৰিব আৰু সেই সেটটোৰ বাহিৰৰ এলিমেন্টে সেই প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো ডিফাইন নকৰে. ওকে, আৰু সেট সাপোজ ইয়াতো আমি লওঁ সেট অফ ভৱেলছ. তো সেট অফ ভৱেলছটো আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিম? সাপোজ আই ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট ইট বাই ক্যাপিটেল X. So X then colon means such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Okay, so এনেকৈ আমি লিখিলোঁ. সো ইয়াত কি হৈছে X টো ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰিছে অল এলিমেণ্টছ, যিমান এলিমেণ্টছ থাকে, আৰু সেই এলিমেণ্টছ কেইটাৰ প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো কি হ'ব? যিটো ছিংগল প্ৰপাৰ্টি যে X ইজ এ ভৱেল ইন ইংলিছ এলফাবেট, ৰাইট? সো ইন জেনেৰেল আমি Xটো ডিনোট কৰিছোঁ এলিমেণ্টছৰ কাৰণে, আৰু সেট বিল্ডাৰ ফৰ্মত কি হয় এলিমেণ্টটো লিখি জৰুৰ এইটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয় যে বা দৰকাৰী নহয়, নেচেচাৰী নহয় যে তুমি X লিখিব লাগিব. ইউ কেন ইউজ এনি এলফাবেট Y Z বাট ইন স্মল লেটাৰ. Okay, any alphabet you can use such that, then you have to put colon, that implies such that. Okay, colon to means such that. Ito ami enake porhim X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet, right? In this way we read this set. Okay, there are various example. Ami jitu agot korilu roster format set to set A means the natural numbers which divides 42. So you write X such that X is a natural number which divide which divide 42. Okay, so this is the form of set builder. আমি এনেকে set builder form of set to represent কৰো. এতিয়া question তোমাৰ এনেকে থাকিব exams you are asked, they will ask you whether you have to write in set builder form or roster form. Okay, same setup তুমি set builder form এদিও লিখিব পাৰা আৰু roster form এদিও লিখিব পাৰা, right? So let's take few examples. So we take the first example. The collection of all the months of a year. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, so আমি এইটো দুইটা ফৰ্মতে লিখিম, roster আৰু set builder. So first see the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So first you have to check whether it is a well defined objects or not, right? So তুমি সেইকেইটা মান্থৰ কালেকশ্যন লাগে যিবিলাক ষ্টাৰ্ট হয় জে দি. So it is a well defined because এইটো এটা definite month আছে যিবিলাক জে দি start হয়. Okay, so it is a well defined objects. Now first we write in a roster form. So in roster form, suppose A denote the set, so starting from January, so the first will be January, then June, then July. Okay, January, June and July. So these three are the elements. Now if I write in set builder form, I will write X such that X is a month of year beginning with letter J. Beginning with letter J. Okay, so set builder form and roster form. This is your roster form and this is set builder form. Okay, next example we take the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. See, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Okay, so the very first thing, it is not a well defined object. Why? Because there are so many writers. According to different person, the most 10 talented writers are different. Okay, I will make a different list, you will make a different list. Okay, eta writer holeo beleg hobo. Okay, so karon there are so many writers of India which are famous. So tumi kabak bhal pabo para, moi kabak bhal pabo paru. So teneke amar list bilak person to person vary koribo. So this is not a well defined collection. Okay, so etu ami setter form ot likhibo nuaru. So you write this is not a set as it is not well defined object. It is not well defined object. Okay, now the collection of the collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class. So collection of all boys, it is a well defined because eta class jikita boys thakibo distinct boys, they are remain same for everyone. Jodi moi jikono student ok jodi he set to banabo diu, all of them will write the same thing, in that they list the same number of boys with name. Okay, so this is the well defined collection of objects. And in roster form you write, suppose the boys are Ram, Sham, Rohan, Saurav, Dinesh, right? Suppose these 5 are the boys of the class. This is the roster form. And in set builder form you write X such that X is a boy of our class. Okay, so this is the set builder form, right? Now when you are given a set builder form and you have to convert in, or you have to write it in the roster form, then how we write? Suppose you are given B is a set X such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 6. Okay, so set builder form dia ase je X element ase aru X to ki hoy etu natural number which are less than 6. So roster form ki likhiba? In roster form you will write the distinct elements. Natural number less than 6. We know our natural number starts from 1. So less than 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in roster form you write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the set builder form and its roster form is this. Okay. Similarly, if you are given F, the set of all letters, the set of all letters in the word better, mane better word to jiman kita alphabet ase tare tumi set banabo lage roster form. So you write it B, E, T, T, E, R. Okay, why we write in roster form? We write in roster form using commas. Commas edi ami elements kita distinct kori separate kori likhibo lagibo. Okay, aru eta tumi yat chua E double ase, T double ase. So tumi eneke likhi aru short korar kane you just write the 4 words because repetition ase. So T amak khudise the set of all letters in the word, ki letters ase. So ami eneke likhu ba eneke, they are same. Okay, next we see how we write in set builder form. You are given a set consisting elements 3, 6, 9 and 12. Amar ase 3, 6, 9 aru 12. Etuk ami set builder ot likhibo lagibo. The set builder ot likhar kane we have to know the property which they follow. Ki property ekita elements se follow korise, hey property to janibo lagibo. So yate ami dekhisu 3, 6, 9, 12 or all multiples of 3. 3 multiple hoy gute gita. So ami keneke likhim etu? We write it like this. Suppose A is a set X such that X is a multiple of 3 multiple of 3 কিন্তু এটা multiple of 3 হোৱাৰ লগে লগে 12 লৈকেহে আছে right 12 তকে greater number multiple of 3 হয় যেনেকৈ 15 so এইটো তুমি এতিয়া 12 লৈকে লাগে so you should write x is a multiple of 3 less than 15 okay 15 তকে সৰু multiple of 3 so 12 আহি যাব 12 লৈকে আমি লিখিব পাৰোঁ or we can write আৰু এটা set builder ফৰ্মত আমি এটো লিখিব পাৰোঁ a equals to x such that x equals to 3n মানে multiple of 3 and n will lies in between 1 and 4 n or value ক'ৰ পৰা ক'লৈকে হ'ব 1 ৰ পৰা 4 লৈকে 1 দিলে 3 2 দিলে 6 3 দিলে 9 4 দিলে 12 so এনেকৈ আমি set builder ফৰ্মটো লিখিব পাৰোঁ right next these are from we have to write in set builder form okay next আমি এটা example লওঁ 5 25 125 625 these are also the multiples of 5 okay 5 then 5 square then 5 cube then 5 to the power 4 it is 5 then 5 square 5 cube 5 to the power 4 so it can be written as in set builder form x such that x equals to 5 to the power n and your n lies in between 1 to 4 5 to the power 1 1 hobo 5 square korile 2 korile 25 5 cube korile 125 5 to the power 4 korile 625 okay so this is all about roster and set builder form okay next topic we will move the types of set there are different types of sets okay so the very first one is empty set so it is clear from the word empty empty means nothing right khali empty means khali এতিয়া আমি ভাবিম সেট এটা কেনেকৈ খালি হ'ব পাৰে কেনেকৈ আমি এম্পটি সেট ডিফাইন কৰিব পাৰোঁ য'ত একোৱে নাথাকে সেইটো সেট কেনেকৈ ডিফাইন হ'ব অ'কে চ' এনেকুৱা সেটো ডিফাইন হয় যিবিলাক তোমাৰ উইদাউট এনি এলিমেণ্ট থাকে আৰু এম্পটি সেটক আমি আৰু বেলেগ নামে দিও ক'ব পাৰোঁ আ সেট which has no element a set which does not contain any element which does not contain any element is called an empty set য'ত একো এলিমেণ্ট নাথাকে সেইটো কি কয় এম্পটি সেট বুলি কয় আৰু এম্পটি সেটৰ এক্সাম্পল কি কি থাকে সৰি এম্পটি সেটক আমি আৰু বেলেগ নামে দিও জানো ইট ইজ নাল সেট নাল মিন্স এম্পটি অৰ ভইড সেট ওকে void set বুলিও আমি কওঁ empty set ঠিক আছে এতিয়া তোমাক যদি কয় যে empty set you have to write কেনেকৈ আমি empty set টো লিখিব পাৰোঁ so examples there are examples in your book first example is a is a set you have to write the natural numbers in between 1 and 2 if I ask you to form a set containing the natural numbers between 1 and 2 okay মই যদি কওঁ যে এনেকুৱা এটা সেট লিখা যাৰ natural numbers ক'ৰ পৰা থাকে in between 1 and 2 such that x is in between 1 and 2 and x is a natural number x is a natural number so it is an empty set why it is an empty set কাৰণ 1 আৰু 2 ৰ মাজত natural number নাই আমাৰ natural number কি হয় 1 2 3 4 5 and all right so natural numbers 1 আৰু 2 ৰ মাজত নাই So that's why a set to ki hobo empty set hobo enukwa eku set tumi form e koribo nwara. Okay, next example, that you have to write the set of even prime number greater than 2. Okay, so you have to write a set of even prime number greater than 2. So even prime number greater than 2. So first you see what are the even prime numbers, which are the even prime numbers. So as we know, 2 is the only even prime number. Okol 2 eta enuka number jitu even hoy aru prime number hoy, right? So amak khudise je enuka eta set likha jot prime numbers thake 2 even prime numbers greater than 2, but 2 bahire to aru even number nai jitu prime hoy. So he karone this set is an empty set. Okay, suppose we write x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. Even prime number greater than 2. Okay, so even prime number greater than 2 hole etu amar empty set hobo karon enuko eku number e nai. Okay, next we have finite and infinite sets. Finite and infinite sets. So etu tumar name e di clear. Finite means unlimited, which are countable. Okay, jitu ami eta finite number of terms thake, number of elements thake etu finite set buli kor. Infinite mane tate infinite elements by infinite members thakibo, etu set of ki buli koy infinite set buli koy. Okay, মানে ফাইনাইটত ডেফিনেট নম্বৰ মানে তুমি কাউণ্ট কৰিব পৰা হিচাপত এলিমেণ্টছ থাকিব আৰু ইনফাইনাইটত ইনডেফিনেট এলিমেণ্টছ থাকিব. অ'কে, চ' ইউ ৰাইট আ ছেট উইচ ইজ এমটি, আৰু এমটি ছেটটো সদায় ফাইনাইট ছেট হয়. অ'কে, এমটি ছেটটো সদায় ফাইনাইট ছেটত ধৰোঁ আমি. চ' ফাইনাইটৰ ডেফিনেশ্যন, আ ছেট which is empty, a set which is empty or consist of a set which is empty or consist of a definite number of elements is called finite set. Is called finite set, otherwise it is infinite. Otherwise it is infinite. Okay, so jodi countable but definite number of elements thake etu finite hobo, aru number of elements jodi kom countable nohoy tete hole etu infinite set hobo. Temi keneke ami jodi set doru the set of all the months of a year. So all the months of a year countable hoy, definite hoy. January 12 months are there, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. tatke to beshi aru amar tat nai. So etu eta finite set hobo. Jodi tumi etu set hisabot likha months of a year, then it is a finite set. Okay, then and if you take the number of points in a line. Okay, আমি এটা লাইন লৈছোঁ, ইয়াতে যদি নাম্বাৰ অফ পইণ্টছ আমি বিচাৰোঁ, চ' নাম্বাৰ অফ পইণ্টছটো ইনফাইনাইট হ'ব পাৰে. পইণ্ট ইজ এ what? The small dot. So infinite number of points are there in line. So this is not a finite set. This is an infinite set. The set of points in a line is a infinite set, right? So this is all about finite and infinite sets. Okay, so that is all for today's class. In the next we will do the next topics. Thank you.